Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through initial app setup for the Narwal Freo 20. If you're interested in the Freo 20, the link to it will be in the video description, where you can find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals and our robot vacuum comparison tool. So be sure to check those links in the description. Now, on to the initial setup. First things first, we're going to go ahead and pop open this cover just in anticipation of what's going to come. Next, we have the Narwal app open up right here. We can see our current devices, but we need to add our new device. So this app is available for free for iOS and Android devices. Download it from your app store, then sign in or create an account. And once you do, you'll be at this main screen where in the top right-hand corner, we want to hit that plus button, and it may scan for nearby devices. So it did find a device right there, or you can browse from their list of products here, or top right-hand corner, you can scan a QR code on your vacuum. So we have multiple ways to do this. So typically you would scan the code if it's not showing up right here, but in this case, ours is showing up. So we're going to select it. Next, we're taken to our network page where you want to connect to your local 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So select the correct network, enter your password. Again, make sure it's 2.4 gig, and then hit next. Now it's working on connecting to the device, so we wait.
Network connecting.
All right,
Please wait.
we got the voice prompt, network's connecting. Light is red, we got a red light there.
Network connected.
All right, network's connected. Binding the users for the device. The light is no longer red, so that's good. All right, so it appears everything's set up. Now we're back to our main screen, which is confusing because we didn't actually see the Freo 20 here. So let's go look. There it is. So here it is. So we can go ahead and enter device homepage, agree and proceed. We can join now if we want, user experience plan, or join later. Here we go. It is connected. It's showing us it's not in the dock, and now it's taking us to our quick mapping option. So that's it, guys. Super simple and straightforward to get your Freo 20 connected with the Narwal app.